Hello and welcome. Have you ever wondered how your body keeps the good stuff and gets rid of the bad stuff? A lot of that magic happens in your kidneys. Today, we're going to talk about a very important concept in how they work, called the renal threshold. Think of your kidneys as super smart filters for your blood. They clean out waste products, but they're also designed to save valuable substances. Inside each kidney are millions of tiny filtering units called nephrons. As blood passes through them, water, glucose, salts, and waste are all pushed out into a tube. But we don't want to lose all that good stuff. So, the next step is reabsorption. Special transport proteins in the kidney tubules act like tiny hands, grabbing useful molecules like glucose and pulling them back into the bloodstream. Now, here's the key part. These transport proteins can only work so fast. They have a limit. This limit is the renal threshold. Imagine a conveyor belt at a factory. You have workers picking items off the belt. If items come too fast, some will be missed and fall off the end. The renal threshold is like the maximum speed those workers can handle. It's the maximum concentration of a substance in the blood that the kidneys can completely reabsorb. The most famous example is the renal threshold for glucose, or sugar. Normally, your blood glucose level is well below this threshold. So, all the glucose that gets filtered is reabsorbed. This means there is no glucose in your urine. The renal threshold for glucose is typically around 180 milligrams per deciliter. But what happens if someone has uncontrolled diabetes? Their blood sugar level can go way above 180. When this high sugar blood reaches the kidneys, the glucose transporters are completely overwhelmed. They can't grab all the glucose molecules passing by. The extra glucose that can't be reabsorbed has nowhere to go but out with the urine. This condition of having sugar in the urine is called glycosuria, and it's a classic sign that blood sugar levels are too high. So, the renal threshold is a crucial biological limit that helps us understand how our kidneys maintain balance. It's a tipping point where the body can no longer hold onto a substance, letting it spill into the urine. It's a vital concept for diagnosing and managing conditions like diabetes. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing to support the channel and help us create more content like this. See you in the next one.